So I hear you don't know how to style your natural hair. Girl, when your natural hair queen is here, don't worry, I got you. Big sisters got you. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you all how to make that gorgeous hairstyle with your natural hair. So start with a stretched and moisturized hair like I did. I stretched and detangled my hair I detangled my hair. I did not stretch it out, but you get what I mean. Next, you section it into 3 parts. Then you go in with your trusted gel. I love Eco Styler gel. I've had this Eco Styler gel for a long time. Yeah, so you go in with your trusted gel. You apply it to each section, brush it in place, and tie it down. After tying it down, just braid up the ends and tuck it in. So I'm just going to be doing that with all the sections until my hair is complete, guys. If this is your first time on my channel, you are welcome. Do not be a stranger. Kindly click that big red subscribe button below this video to join the family. Don't forget to click on the all notification bell so you get notified every time I upload in new videos. And to my returning subbies, my consistent queens and kings, OMG, you guys are the real MVPs. I love you guys. I love you guys. I love you guys. Thank you so much for still sticking with this girl, even though the algorithm have been showing me pepe and the girl has been taking a sit back, but we back and better. So please do not just ignore the box you see behind me. I'm trying to create some DIY crafts and I have not finished it. So yeah, when I'm done with it, you guys are gonna see it. So this is my final look. Like I have proceeded to sectioned my hair in 3 parts like I told you. So all I'm going to do right now is to tie it in place. This was a night before Sunday. So I like making my hair a night before Sunday. You can do it in the morning if you don't have fussy hair. You can do it with relaxed hair. So all I'm doing right now is tying it with a scarf. I'll go in with 1, 2, 3, 4 scarves, depending on how many or how sleek I want my hair to be. I was having headache that night. I just had to go with 2. So this is the next morning and I'm sleeping and I'm done with my makeup and everything, everybody. And I'm ready to go to church and let's see how it did. If this baby cooked so well, oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. Can you see how it slept like a baby? Please ignore my lines. Like, when you're doing something by yourself, like you can't see if the lines are straight. So I went in with this braided extensions. I got these extensions for like 1,000 naira, which I did not like the texture. I thought I was going to like the texture, but it was just too rough for me. So I'd advise you get a good quality hair if you want to see a good and better result. Don't be like me. Don't be stingy like me. Go get yourself a good and quality effort hair. But anyway, this still did the job and I loved it. So all you just have to do is braid 3 strands of extensions, wrap it all around your hair, then leave the ends standing. Like you're gonna trim it off and just create some things with it. So that's what I'm gonna do. Taking my bobby pin, I'm just gonna be pinning it down. I'm going to repeat the same process with the 3 sections, guys. The 3 sections. So like I said, just leave your ends like that. So you just decide how you want the ends to look. But if you want your ends tucked in, you can actually tuck it in. But I did not want my ends to be tucked in. I just, love a little bit of, drama. Like when I enter the room, let them know that I am here. Don't mind me, guys. So just do you. This is the stage to just, do you, be you. Let your creativity show. Let it bloom. So this is me doing it. And then I'll just, take my scissors, trim off the excess, arrange it with the way I want, just do you. And like I said, I could not see my back so well. So don't just ignore the back of my hair, but just enjoy it and just do you. So I went in with my edge control, to help smoothen the strands. Like I said, this was a cheap hair and I did not like the texture. It was so rough. I did not like it at all. No wonder it was sold for 1,000 naira. I didn't love it at all. It didn't give me what I wanted. If I had gotten like a good hair extensions, it would have been so smooth and silky. Yeah. So just make sure to get a good hair extension. And you're going to get it. So this was what I could come up with. I loved how it was, it gave this like spiky looks, but in a curved manner. So the back side, I could not see the back side so well. I just had to use my scissors to cut it off. And, and that was it, guys. That was it. So all you have to do right now is just, subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. If you have not subscribed, just subscribe to it. Subscribe to it. It doesn't cost you nothing. Next, I go in with my got to be glued, Abby butterfly spray, Abby which other spray, whatever glue spray you have, just spray it in so it can stand. You get, and yeah, got to be glued. Got to be glued. And this is the final look, guys. How am I looking? Did you see how rough the extensions is? But maybe you don't notice it, but I did notice it. But it looked that so beautiful. I look like a gorgeous queen that I am. Tell me if you're gonna recreate this. I'd so love to see your own version of your own creation. I'd love to see it. Tell me if you're gonna recreate this, and don't forget to tag me. See you all in my next video. Hugs and kisses. Bye, guys.